Hi, my name is Sean Walker, and I'm a Principal Emerging Practices Architect and part of the Ranger team here at ServiceNow. Today I'm going to be talking to you about verifying your SaaS subscription details. So quickly, what is a SaaS subscription? And so a SaaS subscription is a software licensing model where cloud-based applications can be leased on a reoccurring basis and accessed over the internet. So some good examples of SaaS applications are things like Microsoft 365, Adobe Creative Cloud, Zoom, Salesforce, and so on. So within that umbrella of SaaS subscriptions, there's a lot of different pricing options and subscription models that are available to customers. So your organization may have negotiated different configurations of products or added additional products that may appear in your subscription download. And that's why it's really important that you validate the information being imported from your SaaS integration. It's really key to making sure you have proper SaaS license management. So now I'm going to just jump into an instance of Yokohama and show you how to just kind of quickly verify your subscription information. Okay, so now I've logged into a demo ServiceNow instance and I'm on the Software Asset Management workspace. I'm going to show you how to verify those subscription downloads. So in this instance, I've gone ahead under Direct Integration Profiles. I've configured the Microsoft 365 integration, but I haven't run it yet to pull in any subscription information. So you see here under subscriptions, I have nothing for any of the Microsoft 365 integration. So there are other videos out there specifically about creating this particular integration profile. So I recommend watching those particular videos for things like 365 on how to actually create this integration profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the profile. I'm going to go into the scheduled jobs and I'm going to trigger this just like it would run on a daily basis. I'm just going to kick it off now to show you what happens with the subscriptions. So I'm going to go to this job here, which is the import M365 user subscriptions, and I'm just going to click on the execute now. And what's going to happen is it's going to basically do the API call and go out and get all of the subscription information. So I'm going to let that run, pause the video, and I'll come back in a minute. Okay, so the jobs have finished running and I can go over now to the software subscriptions tab and I can see that there are 17 subscriptions that have all been imported. You can see here, I can group it by software model and see that we only have one particular subscription or model, I should say, available in our tenants. Only one has been downloaded. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to go into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and validate that that is the only subscription that I have. So just give me a minute and I'm going to log into that portal. Okay, so I've gone ahead and logged into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So you're going to need somebody with permissions to the Admin Center, or hopefully you already have that to help you validate what's in ServiceNow compared to what's in 365. So I can come under here under the billings and I can take a look at the licenses, and this should show me all of the licenses that I currently have in my environment. So if you remember, and I can just pull it up here, we only had the one software model for the E365 developer. So I want to know, is this correct, right? Is this the only thing I have in my tenant? And so when I take a look back here, yes, this is the only thing I have, which is a 365 E5 developer. So I can take a look here. I can see I have 17 subscriptions. So then we come back into ServiceNow, we can say, yeah, we have 17 subscriptions coming in. And I can go through and do some spot checking if I want on all these different accounts, but 17 and 17, I know I'm good. So this is something you're going to want to do for all of your SaaS subscriptions. You're going to want to check to make sure that once you've done that integration, you've got all of your subscriptions coming down. If you want more information on this topic, you can go to the ServiceNow product documentation website And you can look for a couple of different articles like the Microsoft 365 subscription information or integrate with SaaS applications. For publisher specific validation and how you can validate your subscriptions on those portals, you're going to want to take a look at the documentation specifically for those portals, or speak to the portal administrator to help you validate those subscriptions. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to talking to you in the next one.